You may have heard how the government bailed out many large corporations, including banks and mortgage companies. But what has it done to help the little guy? The Making Homes Affordable program is a government program designed to create a set of standardized guidelines for lenders to use when determining whether a borrower qualifies for a loan modification. So how does this benefit you? How do you find out if you qualify? What do you do to get this assistance? Hi, I'm Jim Kevaney of the Kevaney Legal Group. Our practice helps people in New Jersey and Pennsylvania to avoid foreclosure and take advantage of programs like the MHA to remain in their homes. Would you like to learn more? Join me as we discuss this program together. The main part of the MHA that affects the average homeowner facing foreclosure is the Home Affordable Modification Program, otherwise known as HAMP. Under HAMP, lenders receive incentives by the government to modify a homeowner's mortgage. Lenders are required to actively inform borrowers about eligibility to participate in the program and to use a certain value calculation for the home specifically developed for HAMP. The value calculation is designed to determine whether the lender would still make any money under the modified loan terms, and if so, the lender is required by law to pursue HAMP before foreclosure. The program has certain rules for eligibility. They are: the loans must have originated on or before January 1st, 2009. The loan must be a first mortgage, and the borrower must live in the property, or the property is rented, or the owner intends to rent it. Now, the value of the unpaid balance on the loan must be less than $729,750 unless the property has 2 to 4 units. The current principal interest, property, taxes, and homeowners insurance payments for the property must be costing the borrower over 31% of their gross monthly household income. Now, all borrowers must fully document their income and must sign an affidavit of financial hardship. And finally, the borrower must not have been convicted of a crime related to a mortgage or real estate transaction. Not surprisingly, the financial institutions want to make sure that only those who are actually eligible for such programs are able to take advantage of them. As such, borrowers must provide a great deal of financial information, including IRS tax forms, applications for the program, and documentation proving income. An attorney would be able to assist you in identifying which documents you will need and how to complete a full and complete application. After approval for the program, it is important to follow all the rules for the newly modified loan. This will include paying on time, providing any requested documentation, and otherwise complying with any request by the financial institution. At Kevaney Legal Group, we help clients with their loan modifications every single day. Perhaps you have questions about how the MHA program works and how it applies to your situation. If so, I encourage you to pick up the phone and call me. You can reach us by phone at 1-800-219-0939 or by email at jim@kevaneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Kevaney, and you have a wonderful day.